I'm Brad Coulon, the founder of On Demand Analysis, the company that created SIFT, which is our intuitive and powerful data discovery tool. We do everything you need in data discovery, and we live in Excel. Let's go take a look at SIFT. SIFT opens from the cloud, but uses the power of Excel already loaded on your system. Think of SIFT as a layer on top of Excel, specifically designed to make it easy for the typical business worker to ask questions of their data. We do this by creating pre-thought-out series of templates. If you look across the bottom here, we have these different tabs that have already been laid out specifically for the type of analysis someone may want to do, trending things over time, comparing periods. We then build toolbars across the top. And in this case, we have a functions toolbar that is going to allow me to copy things out or email them off to people, and then our all-important query builder toolbar. So we've run this report here by customer name. I may want to change the way that I would like to see this data, choose product line, and as I work my way across, I can choose additional options to filter down. But I'll choose direct sales for product line, and I click here for refreshing the data set, and we can see that it's returned to me my product lines and the different values that I have and the profitability. Some data discovery capabilities. If I want to double click on that accessories and drill to the next tier in the hierarchy, that's going to show me a breakout of the gross profit. If I wanted to change my mind and say, you know what, I want to actually see it broken out by region, so I'm down to my accessory sales, but instead of by product, I'm now looking at it by region. I could drill in further here, and I can also drill all the way down to the lowest level detail. I can scroll across and see what, the individual transactions that made up that deal. I go back, and I may want to have that report sent to me. I may want to say, you know what, I want to save this as a favorite report, give it a name, and then I could always just come back in very easily and run that report so that I can continue monitoring this. But I could also say I want to schedule that report and have it sent to me or to my coworkers or to a list of people. I could say I want it to be sent on a weekly basis on Sunday night and put a message with it about us watching these particular metrics within this report. The rest of the tool works the same way. We have crosstab, the ability to have a metric going across and down. We have comparing two periods against each other, trending things. Same capability, double click to sort, some simple visualizations, some simple pop-up Excel charting, all with the idea of trying to keep this thing easy enough for that business user to feel comfortable to come in and ask questions of their data. So why did we do it? Why did we build SIFT? Quite simply, not everyone is a power user. We'd been involved with and seen many large business intelligence initiatives fail, and low adoption rates and intimidated and frustrated users. What we did notice is that they liked being in Excel. They always wanted everything copied out into Excel. So what we built for them was an engine around Excel to provide the security and the governance that IT needs, but that also allows them to stay in the tool set that they're most comfortable in. We created those templates in the query builder toolbar. We also created some browser-based configuration so that these tools are very simple to set up. The security is clean and secure on our data centers or even in your internal data centers. And we taught it to talk to the cloud. So it can talk to other cloud vendors, it can talk to our cloud, or it can talk to your internal private cloud within your company. And the graphical representation of that is just being able to connect, set up your users, configure the tool sets, utilize Excel for the analysis and the distribution to the business users, and also have a very nice engine for easy to use report generation and distribution. All of it either on premises in your private cloud or hosted on our cloud or on other big data providers. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our SIFT data discovery tool.